Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Elmo. So first we're going to get started with the nose, and we're going to draw in a nice big oval on a slight diagonal. Now for the pupil of the eye on the right hand side, we're just going to draw in a nice big circle, curving this line around and then in towards the side of our nose. And then we're going to move over on the left hand side, replicating that, curving this line all the way around and then down on the side. Starting in the top, now we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the highlight of the eye. And then we're going to do the same thing as we move over on the left. Now moving up in the middle on a diagonal, we're just going to draw in a small dot in the center. And then from here, starting on the right, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the side of our nose. And then we're going to replicate this on the left, curving this line all the way around and then back in on the left-hand side as well. Now let's draw in our mouth. So again, coming down on a diagonal underneath the nose, we're going to curve this line out and then up on both sides, drawing that at the same size. Again, coming further out on a diagonal, we're going to replicate that, bringing that over and across. And now in the corner of the mouth, we're just going to draw in a curved line from top to bottom, closing off the bottom of the mouth. Now we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, bringing this all the way around and then up on the side. And then for the tongue in the middle, we're just going to draw in another curved line in the opposite direction, bringing this down and across on the right. Now let's draw in the shape of the face. So as we come over on the right, we're going to curve this line out, down, and then across. We'll come up on a diagonal on the left, bringing that out, down, and then across again. From here, we're just going to draw in a small curved line that comes down. From this point now, we're going to bring this line back out, down, and over. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this line back in. Now from here, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And now from the center, we're just going to curve this line around and then back up on the right. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left. Now let's draw in our right arm. So coming down for the first finger, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. Stepping further down again, we're going to curve this around and over. And then one more time, just arching this line all the way around and then up on the side. Above this, we're going to curve a small line that comes down. And then on the bottom, just bringing that line out and then in. From that corner now, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the top. Now let's move up on a diagonal, drawing in our left hand. So right underneath our face here for the thumb, curving this line down. For the first finger, stepping slightly up, arching this line back in. And then in the middle, curving this line around, back in. And then one last time, bringing this line all the way around and then in, ending that so it's at the same height as the thumb. Closing off the top of the arm, we're going to curve this in towards the bottom of the face. Underneath, bringing this line down. And now from that point, bringing this line across and then back in again. For the body now, on both sides, we're going to curve this line out and then in. On the left-hand side, curving this line in towards the middle. We'll do the same thing over on the right. Let's move across and draw in our right leg coming up. So on the top, we're going to draw in a small curved line arching out. For the first toe, drawing in an arch line, bringing that in. In the middle, let's replicate that. And then again, one more time as we move over, we're going to bring this down and then in, closing off the bottom of the foot. Now we're going to bring this up on a diagonal towards the center. So starting back on this line, we're just going to curve this line around and then back in. Now for our left leg, arching this line out and then in. Coming up on a diagonal, replicating that out, back in. Underneath for the bottom of the foot, bringing that around, we're going to curve this line in. Moving in towards the middle, let's replicate that again. And then one last time, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then we're just going to close off the side of the leg by bringing this line up towards the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Elmo. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.